welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited for today's video because I'm working in collaboration with Fedoma Jewelry. They are a beautiful jewelry brand that elevate elegance with pearls, and while I'm not much of a pearl girly, I do love jewelry. My jewelry collection is growing and it makes me so happy. Before I get started, I just want to say that I had never heard of this brand before and they reached out and they wanted to send me a few pieces. I did get to pick these items because, like I mentioned, they primarily focus on pearls, but I chose items that kind of align more with me and my style, and I hope that it will resonate with all of you because I really want to focus on cultivating like a genuine organic community on here. If you are new here, hello and welcome. Please make sure to subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Okay, so the box, it has their name brand on here in like gold letters, which I think is so beautiful. We're just gonna go ahead and open this. Cute. Oh wow, it's like wrapped in this like yellow tissue paper. Okay, so there's a little card. I already love like just all the detail to this packaging. It's like a little cleaning cloth. Exclusive luxury. It's just like their own little card. Wow, the box is so nice. It's so pretty. Okay, let's go ahead and open these. I'm so excited. Wait, before I do that, they also include its own little bag. Wow, this is so cute. All right, now we can open. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger, which is fine because I actually love smaller jewelry, like daintier pieces. So this is so cute and so perfect. I think I want to put it on right now. Oh my god, wait, I'm obsessed with this. Look at this. Whoa, it's so nice. I love the beaded necklace. And there's the pendant. It's stunning. And look at the other side. The back. Wait. Oh my god, wait, I'm in love with this necklace. It's so cute. And it has a little chain for like adjustable. Let's see. Michael's home. Let's see what Michael thinks. Hi, baby.
It's fun.
Yeah, I'm filming. Do you like my necklace?
That's nice.
Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the second piece. So here's the little jewelry bag it comes in. I love this dark burgundy color. I think it's so just like beautiful. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. So I got these like little gold hoops. They're so cute. Honestly, you could never have too many gold hoops. These ones are a little bit chunkier. Ooh, they feel really good. Sometimes I feel like when you take them out of the clasp, I feel like I'm gonna break them, but this one feels really good and sturdy. I'm gonna switch out my earrings right now. Okay, really quickly, before I put the second one on, just for size reference, like this is chunkier and this one has like, it's chunkier at the bottom and then it goes a little more narrow up top. This is just chunky all around. So this is really nice because it has like that nice like oval shape to it. Or is it like a teardrop? These are so nice. I love them. I think I'm just gonna leave them on. Wow, I'm really happy with these two pieces. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed. Please make sure to subscribe and I will see you here next time. Bye!